Chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I know to come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won. Dark race.
What up? Oh, it's definitely time. Good morning, Donna. I'm just setting this up. Good old internet flicker. Good morning, John. So it was crazy because I caught literally the bottom of this in the Discord today. Bro, you missed the song. You got to rewind it. Yo, what up, Jason? Yo, I played the song in the beginning. Yo. Oh, man. How's your day going, Jason? So literally, we caught the bottom in the Discord. That was the bottom. That was a great trade, and then I managed to mess it up doing stupid shit after that. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Let me open this up. Dude, last night. Yo, what up, CT? Last night showed me why I do not trade Asia. Dude, I can't freaking catch a break during Asia. Not even a little break. Yo, what up, Josh? I wish I was just drinking. Oh. Let's see what happens. I mean, I didn't expect us to make up all this ground last night. Dude, that's crazy. I haven't even, honestly, I literally just am opening up my E-Trade stuff right now. I don't know why I didn't open it up at all this morning. So I can't believe it made back the entire Trump 35% Canada tariff news. Dude, I did not see that coming today at all. Just make up the whole thing as if we're not tariffing them 35%. Like, dude, that was crazy. Yo, what up, Ali? I don't know. I just find it to be nuts. J to the J. What's up, Cove? Congrats on your success, man. Love your content. Just busy. Hey, man, it's all good. Just keep doing what you're doing. If whatever you're doing is working, keep it going. But I definitely appreciate it. I try to put out good content. Dude, are they going to drop this thing? Are they going to finally drop this pig?
Order rejected.
Oh, I'm in the wrong fucking account. Are you kidding me? This would be a great spot for a reversal, by the way. This would be an unreal spot for a reversal. Just throwing it out there. Man, if we can get under like 80 and just fucking send it down. Yo, so Trump was talking. I think the EU is going to get a letter today about tariffs also. So you got Canada thing last night, and I think you're going to get an EU one today. EU one is going to be bigger than Canada, obviously. Not so much percentage-wise. Not so much percentage-wise, but I'm talking what do you call it? Like impact-wise. Impact-wise, he starts taxing the EU, you're going to see more movement than Canada. The big thing is just get it early. I got to keep my eye on the prize here also. Somebody said they did the stop and go on candles. Anyone try that? I'm just looking at it. Stop and go on candles. So in theory, we would be red. It would be red for 23,000.
Order filled.
I'll take it. Let's see what happens. I'm a dice roller. Joom here. I mean, I'm definitely locking in gains. I need to backtest that, but it is freaking interesting. Good morning, Marie. I messed up the morning because I couldn't get my fucking order in as we were shooting up. We were fucking ripping it out of the gate, and I couldn't get my buy order in. I tried twice, and 2 times it was already over my limit. So I got hosed. True story. Otherwise, it would have been a good day. These are 2 funded accounts that are up already. I need to start building them faster. Do I have a code for trade day? David, you can use code Cove Trader for everything, including trade day. Yep. Including trade day. I had some trade day accounts. They got smoked, and I'm just going to wait till they rebuild. They got smoked. But yeah, coupon code Cove Trader works there. Works everywhere. Here we go. Yo, works at the Yankees ballpark for discount on food. Yo, that ballpark food is expensive, man. I was just at City Field. Shit's expensive, man. We were there for my kids' class night fundraiser, I guess. Woo! My kid got to see the first person he's ever seen getting arrested in a men's bathroom at the game. Shouldn't have had that one more beer, brother. Shouldn't have pregame before the game. So I think we're going to freaking dump it.
Order filled.
See, to me, I hate this actually. We're already up so much. I feel like everyone's looking for the short. I don't know. Even though it may work out, I fucking can't stand these types of trades. These are not the A+ trades. You know, I like what we had this morning. I'm locking it. I'm making sure I come out of this with money because I do not like these types of trades.
Order filled.
I'd rather come out with $40 than I let it go red. I only say that because it's not. It looks bad, but I'm just saying I've seen it look like this, and now they pop it back up, and everybody gets wrecked. And the fact that we're up after Trump announced that, everything just seems off. Just seems a little off today. Yo, what up, Brad? Yo, Josh. Oh, I have to reset that thing, by the way. The duck race thing isn't even, it's not working, just so you know. If you submit it, it's not working. It needs to, the whole thing needs to be reset. Just throwing it out there. Oh, man, dude. Early mornings. I am freaking. There you go. Look at that. That's what I was talking about. Somebody's getting their face ripped off. I'm telling you, that is, I don't know if we would be short in this. Oh, you got overconfident again? It happens. Oh, Marie. That's the biggest problem with a lot of traders, though, is you'll make money 8 out of 10 days, and then those 2 days wipe out the other 8 days worth of gains. That's probably the biggest problem with traders. Making money is not hard. It's keeping of the money is the hardest thing. I brought gold up. I'm asking for trouble on a Friday, bringing gold into the situation. Yo, what's up, Ronaldo? Gold is killing it. Dude, gold crushes me. Gold lets me know who the daddy is. Yo, gold pickpockets me through the day. I don't even realize it until I'm home. Watch, they're going to rip all the shorts' faces off and you go back to 303. Let's see. I grabbed one in this eval. You're up 3,000 on gold today? Would you just go long gold? First of all, it's so insane where gold actually is. Gold is at $3,400. Like, look at this gold chart. I mean, this is gold. This isn't some stock. This is gold. It just went for it. It honestly, it looks like gold's going to make all-time highs, which is the wildest thing. This is the monthly. It literally looks like gold's going to pop through. It's fucking crazy. Yo, what up, George? What up, man? Ah, my finger. I got to scroll in for this gold thing. Dude, they're going to dump it all the way down at 35. Yo, the top orb is right here.
Order filled.
If it doesn't bounce, I'm looking at my other screen. I set that way too tight. Way too tight. I'm looking at this. I want to see if it holds. Off to work. Holding to 943. I hope it gets there for you. It looks like shit. Oh, this looks like it definitely at least has a 937. Brad's going to be at work and get fucking paid. Yeah, Jason. I mean, all those Mag 7 stocks a lot of them are overbought, man. We just ran a ton. Is it going to hold? Do not play this in a funded account. Just throwing that out there. This is not even close to a funded account trade. This is, I'm just trying to scalp. If we hold here, maybe get a couple points in an eval. I would not trade this in a funded account. People have asked me if I was only going to take like 1 to 3 trades a day, what trades they would be. This would not be one of them. Even though it's a winner, this would not be one of those 3 trades I take a day. If I had to take 3 trades a day, my first trade was the one I took out here in the morning. The bottom. I basically took a fair value gap inversion to the upside. That would have been one of them. I only say this because obviously you'll see me just scalp and shit during the day to stay like active, I guess. But if I had to take 3 trades a day, you know, a lot of these scalps would not be them, and that's what people have asked. I'm in at the top orb and have to buy at VWAP. The VWAP. This looks like it's going to return all the way back down. I got a crazy feeling that we're going to go all the way back down to open. Let's see if I can hold or if it happens. Good morning, Waldo. I'm hoping we go all the way back down. The video is falling apart. Meta is falling too. The news is not good. I mean, let's be real. The news is not good. I mean, a lot of times if you watch those stocks and they're dumping, the market's probably going to dump too. I mean, they make up the NASDAQ. I would love to see it drop. I think the whole market in general needs a deep pullback, but you know, that's just me. Nope, stopped out. Did we basically flipped sell signal? Good morning, Cove. I'll check at lunchtime, Tony. I'll definitely check at lunchtime. Yo, that's crazy, Jason. But yeah, NVIDIA's valuation is through the roof. Bottom isn't just got liquidated at the bottom. Ugh. That sucks, man. I'm trying to rearrange my screenage a little bit. Good morning, Monet. Morning, Nao. I think this just gives it up, but it is and it's not, Tony. It definitely is, but what's so crazy about playing it is, I know the news that came out, right? We all know the news that came out. So I am definitely biased to the downside right now because I know that the tariffs, I'm waiting for Canada to come back and give their tariffs. And then I think the EU is looking to basically get a notification of tariffs. So it's kind of hard for me to just sit here and be like, oh, I'm going to play the Renkos to the upside when all this shit is happening. Like technically we're in a sell, but red candle and we can get under 947, this will probably unload back down to the bottom. Just staircase down, like staircase down, staircase down. All right, so this is going to be my first fucking gold test. I'm going to do this in a, what do you call it? This is literally me just testing something. Do not. maybe 378, 370.8. We broke what trend line? I don't know. Don't do it, Cove. I'm in. I'm in, CT. I did it. I had to. They made me do it. The gold police made me do it. We'll see what happens. I wanted to forward test this. That's really where it came from. Yo, he's short gold, everybody. Everybody, he's short gold. Pump it. Yo, I can't stand gold. Every time I play gold, it goes against me. But today's a new day. And on this new day, gold is going against me again. Yo, what up, TiVo? What up, Anderson? Oh, motherfucker. I hate gold. I just don't fucking get gold. It's so annoying. It's so fucking annoying, gold. Why'd you make me buy gold? Oh. You need a data subscription with My Funded Futures to trade gold? I did not know that. That is new news to me. New news. Yeah, I didn't know that. That's crazy sauce. I feel the stop out coming. I feel the stop out coming. I'm telling you, this is, oh man, I can't believe they stopped me out. I should have just said fuck it and held, right? I just feel like they're going to sell it all the way back down. This is a fuck it. Dump it. Dump it. Look at this shoulder, head, shoulder. I mean, we fucking break below. We get below VWAP in the 200. I mean, this thing is fucking toast. I mean, this is toast. If it can break, and I could hold. If it could break and I could hold. Trump, I'm going to need you to fucking give me a fuck China right about now. I might get out of two of these right here. And then my last one, I'll move to break even. Code. I I think I'm going to do something. I'm going to start trading heavy at that open and not touch those accounts after. Yo, can you hear me? Yo, my fucking computer like froze. I think I'm running too much shit now. I'm gonna try taking some of this stuff off. But yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan, to be honest with you, is to I just feel like that would be a good way to do it, is kind of smash the open, and then those accounts are kind of done. And that's what I've been doing with Fidias accounts. I also did that with Tradeify. Dude, my fucking I gotta get rid of some of these windows. I got too many windows open. I got too many windows open on my freaking computer. I need to free up some fucking space. I got like 5 Discord windows open. Probably not the best for disk space. For browser usage, I think I'm using too much browser power. Oh, man. Yo, what up, Fred? Coach Fred in the house. Yo, they just couldn't fucking break it. They just couldn't break it. Oh, man. Dude, he just gave me an idea. Holy shit. Oh, all right. Dude, this shit's gonna just fucking dump. This shit looks like it's going to unload. Get it under. Yo, you know who just got paid? Dude, Brad just got paid in the chat. He was at 43, and we literally just hit 43. Nice fucking trade, Brad, if you're still here. AKA, are you not able to join the duck race? Have you been on? How long have you been on the stream for? You got to be on the stream to join, because Streamlabs makes it so people can't come in with like 15 new accounts and just sign up. So you have to be on the stream, and then Streamlabs sees it and lets you on it. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, you should be able to join it. AKA, oh. Dude, you should be able to join it. Fuck me. Fuck. Bro, you don't even want to know. That's so fucking crazy. I saw this coming. Freaking, oh my God. Dude, this sucks. Dude, I got to just hold longer. I literally had the bottom today, and this is where I got in short. Just had to fucking hold. That's it. Just had to fucking hold. Oh, man. Yeah, just got to recoup. And work back. That's so fucked. That's so fucked. Yo, I swear the next time I'm like, yo, I'm just going to short it, I'm literally just going to buy and say fuck it on the account. Whatever happens to the account happens to the account. It's just ridiculous. Dude, this sucked. Watch, they're going to bring it all the way down to 873-ish. You're going to see. I wouldn't be surprised if this is checked. Did he tweet? I don't think he had to. You have a bunch of Canada trade news and shit like that out here. I think they're going to flash it down to like below 900. Get everybody out and then bring it back. Yeah, that's why gold's so high. Trump is putting tariffs on Canada. Canadian tariffs coming in hot. Dude, it's going to be real fucking crazy. I think we're in for a lot of bad data coming our way, personally. I mean, the data hasn't been great as it is, but I think it's going to be real bad.
Order filled.
Dude, this guy with this fucking leaf blower is right on my fucking head.
Order filled.
Bro, that's fucking typical. That's typical. Look at that shit. Dude, they're going to bring it all the way back up now. Sure. Holy fuck. Dude, they're going to watch them go all the way back up to 23,000. Oh, we're right at the orb. We're literally right at the orb. Look at this shit. Oh, baby. Fuck that. That's crazy. Bro, somebody just got freaking dick kicked. That guy knows you're trading. He's blowing up the candle for us. Dude. Y'all, I need to reset this fucking computer. Are you kidding me? I switched tabs and now I'm fucking frozen? Yo, what up, bum? Yo, stop trading gold this week. Best decision ever. I can't stand gold. Fuck gold. Dude. Guy's blowing fucking air in my ear all fucking morning. Oh, man. I can't even concentrate. I mean, this is moving around, but it's sloppy. It's sloppy toppy at this point. This was real. I'll be honest, this was really good. This down, and now I don't even know, because now we just made a higher high over here. In theory, I would say we're going to come back up and probably go to 23,000. But who knows? Now I don't like that. Now it's starting to get sloppy, and you're starting to head into lunchtime. Should have just kept my short and not traded. Should have not traded gold. Who told me to trade gold in the chat? Somebody said, yo, Cove, trade gold. Yo, off with gold. Fuck that. Off my chart. Damn. Gold! 2 hour just printed a nasty doji. Yo, Josh, I want to pull back, dude. If we get a pullback, Josh, you're going to be hearing beeping noise outside your house. Beep, beep, beep. That's going to be me loading the fucking boat on all those stocks that we've been talking about. Then after I load up, Josh, I'm going to call Grandma up and tell her and her bingo friends to all load up also. We're all going in. Heavy. Yo! My man Chris is in the house. What up, dude?
Order filled.
How's trading, man? How's life been? Yo, what up, Corey? SoFi, yeah. I've liked SoFi for a while. They just hit over 20. I'm out. I'm out on SoFi now. Why are you in SoFi, Chris? I hope we pull back again. I hope we pull back freaking hard. I actually traded my personal account last night. I hit for 3. By the time I got out of my trade, I think I hit for like $343 last night. I held the short overnight, which was a nice hit.
Order filled.
There we go. Get some fucking coin back. Just trying to get some coin back here. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Man, it's getting sloppy right now. Sloppy, sloppy. 10-day green streak. Nice. Just got a referral to oral surgeon to have tooth removed. Oh. You wild, Chris. Yo. Well, at least you can get the tooth out, man. Hope it all works out. Dude, initiation to what? Dude, also, I'll tell you, 10-day green streak is freaking awesome, man. I love it. I love to see the greens. Keep it coming, Chris. Dude, are they just gonna destroy this up? Fuck it. I'm taking
Order
it.
filled.
I have a stop at 42. Where's 42 at? Oh, this obviously went fucking quick.
Order filled.
That was fast. I just took a quick inversion. Honestly, inversion, and I was just looking for the highs right here real quick. Yo, last night was wild. Last night was crazy, Stock Itch, but I don't think we were both at the same place. Oh, you're talking about the live stream and trading? Yeah, that was fun. That was definitely fun. Oh, man. Dude, if I was single and no kids, I would trade every night. I would trade every night for at least an hour with you guys. I would stream probably. I would go grab dinner because obviously I'm not going to fucking trade. I'm not trading 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock probably. You know, I want to wait till some movement happens. I'd probably trade like 8 to 9 o'clock every night. Come on, hang out, chill out, and then yeah. I'm trying to think. Oh. Yo. Think about selling them on the black market, Jim Blab. Dude, I'll be honest with you. If I would trade probably all night. I would probably trade all night. I would trade all night. I would probably honestly I'd probably trade Forex also. I would get into Forex and I'd probably trade let's just see what it looks like. Oh, this just triggered fucking green at 48. Do I just yeah, I mean listen, is it probably the best? But I don't know. I mean, I could maybe make money. Let's go here. let's see what the if I trade how I trade. Really? What's the big problem here? Dude, that's not right. Why is it not giving me any pairs, by the way? Why am I not getting any pairs? That's all I was looking for. Dude, you could definitely trade this shit. Look, there's a signal right there. You could have taken, what is that, 9:30 in the morning? I probably would have taken this. I would have waited until it probably inverted somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. See, I just feel like if I'm looking at a lot of pairs and a lot of different things, I would take better trades because I'm not just looking at the
Order filled.
I'm not just looking at one thing anymore. You know, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. Like, if I had multiple pairs up, I would probably take better trades because I would literally just be waiting for the best of the best setups like this and then take them. That's it. I wouldn't be waiting for I wouldn't be scalping bullshit probably. I am debating on pulling out a couple different things where I have a screen that has like eight charts, something like my fucking screen's gonna like something like this. And all I'm doing is waiting for that signal, which is basically a sweep and then an inversion fair value gap. And then I would just take it. So my screen would look like this, and all I'm looking for is something like this to pop up. I don't even need to see the chart. I just need to see the colors, and then I would know instantly that, okay, this is what I'm looking for. And then I would just pull this chart out on another screen to just verify what I want to do, where I want to put my stops, and I would probably play that. Supposedly you can. I've tried. It's not working though. Let's see if I get notified. I'll set one on the NQ also. Man, if we can get over this, you'd probably fly. Let's see. Add alert indicator. You know, like you could see, like right there would have been a fucking money signal. It broke it, traded back into this range.
Order filled.
So the reason why I just took that, why did I just take that? And I'll show you why. So why did I just fucking take that? I know I just took that for a reason. I took it and I said I was going to hold until 48. I definitely took an inversion. I just don't know where I took it at. I want to say I took that. I think I took it one of these. I think this one was the one I took. And I said my stop was 42. So I think I took it on this inversion and I stopped out. Which is not an A+ setup. So I don't want people to be like, yo, that was good. That was not good. That is not a quality setup. It was just feeling it. I was feeling it. But yeah, so anyways, I was feeling it. I took it. It was what it was. Obviously, I should have kept holding. You know. Ah, man. Should have kept holding. But at least I could say that the trades are good. And if I don't hold, I don't hold. But at least I know that they end up playing out, right? You know, it's one thing that if you get out and the trades are always busting. But the fact is I'm getting out and the trades are running, which means, you know, I don't know what it means. It means I should fucking be holding. That's all it means. It means I should just be holding it. That's all. It means I didn't hold. That was a good trade for anyone that took it. I took it here. And I'll be honest with you, that's why you kind of got to change your bias. Just because you're short bias. Yeah, Mama Tick. That's the problem is I bought in with a mini. So I only had one mini. You know, I should probably buy a bunch of micros and then leave like 3 hanging. The target would be 23,000 or the top of the orb, which is 23,004, which I believe is almost high a day. So you would have got chopped around a little bit, but the Renko buy signal came on somewhere in this range. Yep. Holy shit. There you go. 23,004. Yo, Stock Itch, I love bi-directional women. And charts, I guess, too. Oh, I had to. Sorry for anybody that's on here. Yo. Yeah, I would hate missing the move, but better to take. Yeah, I always try to take money. I mean, I feel like it would be different if I was trading my personal account. I would probably. So I traded my personal account last night and I let things move around because there's no drawdown. So if there's no drawdown, I don't have to worry about, you know, if we go up and then we come back down, all of a sudden I'm down drawdown. At least here, you know, with my personal, like we go up, we go down, I just didn't make the money. But that's why I probably tend to take profits more, is because I'm trying to make sure that I don't get stuck. I'm wondering if we just swept the highs and now we dip back down. This would be a tweezer top. a close at 996 in the next 6 seconds would be a tweezer top. It doesn't look like we're getting it. That would have been fucking pretty cool. Tweezer top and then come back down. I'm so offended, said no one. I don't know. You know, there's females in here. There's older people. I don't want to get on anybody's bad side. I'm just having fun here. I'm just having fun. You know, if we weren't having fun, got to have fun while I do this crazy thing I call trading. Holy shit. Am I going to do this? Am I going to take a short here and stop out at 23,004? If we get below 95, if we get below 95, I'm going to go in on a short.
Order filled.
This is not an A+ setup, but it's not an A+ setup. This is like a C-. Risk reward is there. I only say that because if it actually dumps back down, you'll probably get a lot of points, and your stop is only 10 points away. So like you're risking 10 points to make 30, I guess. So in that regard, I like it. The risk reward would be there because I feel like if you would dump, you'd probably come back down to these highs, but you can easily get stopped out. So, yo, Walter, you can enter long. If 100%, man. If we consolidate, right? If we start consolidating, I'm out. Like if we start having a couple candles here and here and here, that means we're not getting the push. Then I'm out. I want this to get under 93. Like I don't want to keep holding this purple line. The more we hold this purple line, the more likely we're going to go up. That's what I don't like about this. It needs to come down below the 9, lose this trend line, and then kind of drop. See, like now I'm starting to move my stops lower. I'm moving my stops down to now I'm risking $130. You know, and if we can get low, if we can get down to like 84 and I can go break even, it'll be a free trade at that point, and I can't go wrong. Like I want to see this get below. See, now it's a free trade, right? It's a free trade now. So we're hands off. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out, right? This is where I wanted to be, though. Free trade. You know, if we start dropping and we put a big candle in, I'm going to move my stop down.
Order filled.
That's it. No harm, no foul. You know, we got to break even and we got out. What's the purple line? It's the 9 EMA. 9 EMA, Jason. But that's how I typically like to trade. I like to get to break even, and then whatever happens kind of happens. If it does flush, great. We all made money. If it doesn't flush and we get stopped out, what's the worst that could happen? I got fucking stopped out. I got stopped out at break even. The couple things I don't like about the long is we're basically we swept these highs right here. We swept. We got under the initial balance. We couldn't hold over it. And then we inverted a fair value gap on the way down. So those are some things I don't like about the long. Obviously, it could all be invalidated with a pushback over. When you get a pushback over 2306, I mean, it invalidates everything I'm talking about. But yeah, it seems like I got top ticked on the swing up. Yo, what up, Cam? What's up, man? When do I feel safe to break even? I typically like going to break even when I'm up about 5 to 8 points, Murray. Because once I'm up 5 to 8 points, I don't want to give back gains. But I not look at this shit. Oh, you're a big piece of shit, NQ. Well, at least I walked through it for you guys. I got top ticked on the way out, but I like to go to break even when I'm up 5, 8 points. Because then at that point, like I can't lose on the trade. Maybe I go a point in profit to cover, commissions. But something like this, I should have just freaking held. But it is what it is. Listen, I got top tick. There's probably somebody in this chat that held that short and they just made money. And that's perfectly fine with me. At least I'm giving my thought process out. And somebody might have taken it and ran with it and got, 20 points. And now they're up. That's what it's about. That's, I am not looking to take this long, but yeah. Look, VWAP moves around. It resets itself. That's why you got to zoom out and zoom back in. But yeah, so kind of got hosed, missed out on probably, I don't know, $200. Yeah, Mama Tick. I mean, listen, like I tell everybody, I don't want you following me. I want you to take the ideas and then make them your own. You don't have to follow the same stuff I do. You don't have to follow the same indicators I do. But maybe you have a set of indicators or charts that you use, and something that I say or use all of a sudden clicks, and then you use it on whatever you're doing, and it works great. And that's what it's about. I follow for fun and educational purposes. This is entertainment only. Yeah, I mean, those are my thoughts. I thought, we definitely caught some good trades here. I am not nearly up as much as I should be. Just got ticked. And it is what it is. But yeah. Might continue going down. Once you're under the 9, you basically follow it. Just how you follow the 9 up. See how you kind of follow it up? You'll start noticing it'll just follow it down. Just like this. Once you break, you return to the 9 and you just kind of following it. Damn. I freaking had the top. But what if I don't want to make it my own? What happens if I'm not around? I go on vacation for a week. You got to be able to trade without me here. You got to be able to trade without me here. That's where I want. I want you guys to be able to trade without me, and that's it. Go in the Discord, talk trading, and, you know, I want to see you guys profitable. Burns when I pee. Yo, I can't believe that shit. At least we're getting movement now. Oh, anyone's tinfoil hat turning gold? I don't know, Chris. Man. Some real good trades, though. It sucks. Today, I had the bottom here, took it. I was talking about the short, did not nearly get as much as I wanted. Cameron, I trade any day. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just trading the chart. Whatever the chart gives me, I take. I don't necessarily need Monday, Tuesday, you know. No value in catching tops and bottoms. The problem with it, Fred, is like you get such a good entry, and it's just so crazy. Oh. Damn. Man. All right, everybody. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. If you're new, we're going to do an account giveaway, Take Profit Trader, on the afternoon stream. Got to subscribe. If you're new here and you had some fun and you took some good trades, hopefully you come back. We definitely, I think we definitely did well for the most part. I mean, kind of grabbed it. Nothing bad. I thought we did pretty good. So hopefully I see some of you guys back this afternoon. If you guys are heading out early weekend, enjoy the weekend. But yeah, I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock, 2:15. I got to eat something, man. I am starving. Also, I might do a collab with somebody. Somebody wants to do a collab with me. We'll see what happens. Maybe an OF collab, or I meant just a trading collab. Yeah. So I appreciate anybody new that's on here. Hopefully see you guys later on. All right. Yo, should I hit it on the way out? Should I hit it on the way out? Probably, right?
Spinning the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already